Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from TonKeeper. So let's start this video by opening TonKeeper application. So once you are on the home page, click on send, and here you have to write down the deposit address of the exchange or any particular wallet where you want to withdraw money from TonKeeper. So for this case I will select Binance application, that I want to withdraw my money from TonKeeper to Binance. So I will just open Binance application now and then click on wallets, then click on deposit, and here we have to search for the coin which we want to withdraw from TonKeeper. So let's say I want to deposit Ton, so I will just simply select Ton and then click on OK. Just copy this deposit address, come back into your Binance application, then copy this memo and write down it in your comments, then click on continue, and here you have to write down the Ton amount which you want to withdraw to your Binance application. So I will select 10 and it will show me the reverse price of USDT. Then you have to click on continue. Currently I can't do that because I have insufficient balance, so just have to click on continue and then confirm your payment. So after 1 or 2 minutes you will receive Ton in your Binance exchange. You can do that with any particular wallet or any other exchange that you want. And once you receive Ton in your Binance application and you want to withdraw it to your e-payment or any bank transfer, so I will show you how to do that. First you have to click on trade over here, then click on convert. In the from section you have to select Ton, and in the to section you have to select USDT, because we can deposit USDT, because we can withdraw USDT in our bank account, not Ton coin. So first we have to swipe that. So just click on USDT, then enter the amount of Ton you want to withdraw. So let's say I convert 10 Ton, so it will show me this. So once you have done that, you have to click on trade and you will receive USDT in your Binance. And once you receive, you have to click on wallets on the bottom right, click on withdraw, and then click on P2P trading. So here you have to click on sell and then you have to select USDT. I have already selected it. Just click on amount which you want to send, then you have to click on payment and then select the payment method. So let's say I want to withdraw all of my Ton or USDT through bank, then I will click on bank transfer. It will show me all the people which currently have bank transfer. So I will just find a right person. Let's say I selected Hassan Trader. Then you have to click on sale, enter the amount, and then click on place. Then you have to give the bank details, and then after 5 or 6 minutes you will receive money in your bank account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.